Let's cut straight to the point. Disrespect is something we've all experienced in our life. Whether it comes from a colleague, a friend, or even a stranger, it can shake your confidence and leave you questioning yourself. But here's the truth. How you respond to disrespect defines you more than the disrespect itself. Today, we'll explore 9 powerful strategies to handle disrespect with grace, confidence, and strength. Before moving further, do subscribe our channel Stoic Sense, that really motivates us. Now let's dive in. Strategy 1. Set clear boundaries. The first step to dealing with disrespect is setting clear boundaries. Boundaries communicate what behavior you'll tolerate and what you won't. When someone crosses those boundaries, it's your responsibility to let them know. For instance, imagine a colleague consistently interrupting you during meetings. Instead of staying silent, calmly say, "I appreciate your input, but I wasn't finished speaking." This assertive yet respectful approach sends a clear message that their behavior is unacceptable. It's crucial to establish these boundaries early. If you let small acts of disrespect slide, they can escalate over time. But when you address them immediately, you set the tone for how you expect to be treated. Remember, boundaries aren't about controlling others. They're about protecting your peace. You're not being rude or difficult. You're simply showing self-respect. And when you respect yourself, others are more likely to respect you too. So take a moment to identify your boundaries. Think about what behaviors you find unacceptable and how you'll respond if they occur. Practice these responses until they become second nature. The next time someone disrespects you, you'll be ready to address it with confidence and composure. Strategy 2. Stay calm and collected. Disrespect can be triggering. It's easy to react with anger or frustration, but these reactions often escalate the situation. Instead, staying calm and collected can completely shift the dynamic. When someone disrespects you, pause. Take a deep breath. This brief moment of reflection allows you to respond thoughtfully rather than impulsively. For example, if someone makes a hurtful comment, instead of snapping back, you could calmly ask, "Why do you feel the need to say that?" Such a response puts the focus back on them and often disarms their hostility. Staying calm doesn't mean suppressing your emotions. It means controlling how you express them. If you're too angry to respond, it's okay to take a step back and revisit the situation later. This shows maturity and self-control, qualities that earn respect even from difficult people. Moreover, staying calm protects your mental health. Reacting with anger only feeds the negativity, while a calm demeanor helps you maintain your peace and self-respect. It also sets an example for others, showing that you won't be dragged into unnecessary conflicts. Practice calming techniques like deep breathing or visualization to prepare for these situations. Over time, you'll find it easier to stay composed no matter how disrespectful someone may be. Strategy 3. Address it directly but respectfully. Ignoring disrespect doesn't always make it go away. In some cases, addressing it directly is the most effective approach. The key is to do so respectfully without matching their negativity. For instance, if a friend makes a sarcastic comment about you, you might respond, "I've noticed you've been making a lot of jokes at my expense lately. Is there something on your mind?" This approach calls out the behavior without being confrontational. Direct communication is powerful because it forces the other person to acknowledge their actions. Often, people don't realize the impact of their words or behavior until it's pointed out to them. By addressing it calmly, you give them a chance to reflect and correct themselves. It's important to choose your timing and setting wisely. Addressing disrespect in private can prevent embarrassment and make the conversation more productive. Use I statements, like "I felt hurt when you said that," to express your feelings without sounding accusatory. Directness isn't about winning an argument. It's about standing up for yourself while maintaining your dignity. It shows that you value yourself enough to demand respect, but that you're mature enough to handle the situation with grace. Strategy 4. Respond with silence. Silence is one of the most powerful responses to disrespect. It's counterintuitive, but silence speaks louder than words. When someone disrespects you, Their goal is often to provoke a reaction. By staying silent, you deny them the satisfaction. It shifts the power dynamic in your favor, making them question their actions. Imagine someone shouting insults at you. Instead of yelling back, you calmly look at them, then walk away. That silence is far more impactful than any words you could say. Silence also gives you time to process the situation. Reacting immediately can lead to saying things you might regret. Taking a moment of silence allows you to gather your thoughts and decide on the best course of action. However, silence doesn't mean ignoring the problem altogether. It's a temporary strategy to de-escalate tension and regain control. Once the situation has cooled down, you can address the disrespect more effectively. 5. Develop key skills and knowledge. In the process of self-transformation, developing essential skills and acquiring knowledge are indispensable steps. Take a moment to identify the skills that align with your goals. Whether it's mastering a new language, improving communication, or learning a technical craft. Focusing on skill building ensures that your transformation is tangible and sustainable. For instance, if your goal is to transition to a new career, start by researching what skills are in demand within that field. Online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer accessible resources for learning. Dedicate specific hours each day to honing these skills and make it a disciplined practice. Additionally, reading books by thought leaders in your desired domain can provide valuable insights. For example, someone aiming to improve financial literacy could start with classics like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, or The Intelligent Investor. Regularly consuming this knowledge shapes your mindset and equips you with the tools to take actionable steps. Make it a point to track your progress. Use tools like Trello or Asana to create a roadmap of your skill acquisition journey. Break down large tasks into smaller milestones. Celebrate each small victory. It fuels motivation and reinforces your commitment to growth. Remember, developing skills is a lifelong process. Stay curious and open to learning from diverse sources. Transformation isn't just about external changes, it's also about internal growth. By mastering skills and expanding knowledge, you align yourself with a future where you are empowered and capable of tackling any challenge. 6. Cultivate a positive mindset. Your mindset serves as the foundation of any transformation. A positive outlook not only boosts your confidence, but also helps you overcome challenges that may arise during your journey. Start by observing your thought patterns. Are they helping you grow, or are they filled with self-doubt? Daily affirmations can be a powerful tool. Statements like, "I am capable of achieving my goals," or "I deserve success," work wonders in reprogramming your subconscious. These affirmations may seem simple, but when repeated consistently, they influence your actions and decisions. In addition, practicing gratitude can shift your perspective. Begin each day by listing 3 things you are grateful for. It could be as simple as having clean water, or the opportunity to pursue your dreams. Gratitude helps you focus on what you have rather than what you lack, fostering a sense of abundance. Surround yourself with positivity. This includes spending time with people who uplift and inspire you. Evaluate your social circle and limit interactions with those who drain your energy. Positivity is contagious, and being in the company of like-minded individuals helps maintain your momentum. Finally, embrace setbacks as part of the process. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone. By viewing challenges as opportunities to learn, you foster resilience. Journaling can help during tough times. Write down your thoughts and reflect on how you've overcome difficulties in the past. This practice reinforces the belief that you can overcome anything. Transformation begins in the mind. When you cultivate a positive mindset, you unlock your true potential and lay the groundwork for lasting change. 7. Build a strong routine. A well-structured routine is the backbone of any transformation. It helps you stay consistent and focused, ensuring that your efforts compound over time. To start, identify the key areas of your life that need attention, whether it's physical health, personal development, or professional growth. Design a daily schedule that includes time for these priorities. For instance, if health is a focus, dedicate a specific time each morning for exercise or yoga. If skill development is important, carve out a few hours for studying or practicing. Make sure your routine includes breaks to recharge, as burnout can derail progress. Consistency is key. It's not about doing everything perfectly every day, but about showing up regularly. Use tools like Google Calendar or apps like Epictetus to track your habits and ensure you're staying on course. Start small, perhaps by introducing just 1 or 2 habits, and gradually expand your routine as they become second nature. Morning and evening routines are particularly powerful. Begin your day with practices like meditation, journaling, or a workout to set a positive tone. At night, reflect on your progress and plan for the next day. These rituals provide structure and clarity, keeping your transformation on track. Flexibility is equally important. Life can be unpredictable, and rigid schedules can lead to frustration. If unexpected events arise, adapt without guilt and return to your routine the next day. A strong routine creates momentum and discipline, making it easier to stay aligned with your goals. Over time, this structure transforms your daily actions into habits, and those habits shape your new identity. 8. Foster meaningful relationships. Your relationships play a pivotal role in your transformation journey. Surrounding yourself with supportive and inspiring individuals can motivate you to achieve greater heights. Take a moment to evaluate your current relationships. Are the people in your life encouraging your growth, or are they holding you back? Begin by seeking out like-minded individuals who share your values and aspirations. Join groups or communities centered around your interests, whether it's fitness, entrepreneurship, or creative arts. Platforms like Meetup or LinkedIn can help you connect with such individuals. Engaging with these communities provides opportunities to learn, collaborate, and grow together. At the same time, nurture your existing relationships. Communicate openly with friends and family about your transformation goals. They may offer insights, encouragement, or even constructive criticism that can guide you. Make an effort to spend quality time with those who uplift you. Simple gestures like a phone call or sharing a meal can strengthen bonds. Let go of toxic relationships. While it can be challenging, distancing yourself from people who drain your energy or undermine your goals is necessary for your growth. This doesn't mean burning bridges, but rather setting healthy boundaries. Mentorship is another powerful tool. Find someone who has achieved what you aspire to and learn from their experiences. A mentor can provide guidance, offer valuable advice, and keep you accountable. Remember, meaningful relationships are a two-way street. Offer support, encouragement, and kindness to those around you. By fostering genuine connections, you create a network that enriches your transformation and contributes to your overall happiness. Building relationships is not just about surrounding yourself with others. It's about creating a space where mutual growth and understanding can thrive. To truly foster meaningful connections, prioritize authenticity in your interactions. Be honest about your goals, feelings, and intentions, as this openness encourages others to reciprocate. Authentic relationships are built on trust and respect, creating a solid foundation for long-term connections that enrich your transformation journey. In addition to cultivating personal relationships, consider the professional and social networks that can aid your growth. Attend workshops, seminars, or networking events relevant to your aspirations. These settings not only provide opportunities to meet like-minded individuals, but also expose you to new perspectives and ideas. Collaborating with others who share your vision can amplify your progress, as you'll gain insights, support, and inspiration from their experiences. Finally, don't underestimate the power of kindness and gratitude in maintaining strong relationships. A simple thank you or acknowledgement of someone's efforts can go a long way in strengthening bonds. Celebrate the successes of those around you and be genuinely happy for their achievements. When others see you as a source of positivity and encouragement, they're more likely to support and uplift you in return. Remember, relationships are about giving as much as they are about receiving, and the energy you invest in them will come back to you in profound and transformative ways. 9. Practice self-reflection. Self-reflection is the compass that guides your transformation. It allows you to assess your progress, identify areas for improvement, and stay aligned with your goals. Without regular reflection, it's easy to lose focus or become overwhelmed by challenges. Set aside time each day or week to evaluate your journey. This can be as simple as spending 10 minutes journaling about your experiences. Ask yourself questions like, what went well today? What could I have done differently? Am I making progress toward my goals? Reflecting on these questions helps you gain clarity and make informed adjustments to your plans. Self-reflection is the cornerstone of personal growth and transformation. It allows you to step back from the busyness of life and analyze your thoughts, emotions, and actions with clarity. Begin by setting aside time daily or weekly for quiet contemplation. Use this time to ask yourself thought-provoking questions. What did I learn today? What could I have done differently? Am I aligned with my long-term goals? By examining your life regularly, you gain deeper insights into what drives you and what holds you back. This self-awareness serves as the compass for your journey of change. Journaling is another powerful tool for self-reflection. Writing your thoughts helps to untangle complex emotions and identify recurring patterns in your behavior. As you document your feelings and experiences, you'll notice trends that either propel you forward or keep you stuck. Over time, this practice becomes a roadmap of your progress and provides evidence of how far you've come. Don't shy away from acknowledging your mistakes. Instead, use them as opportunities to learn and grow. Every failure carries a lesson, and self-reflection ensures that these lessons are not lost. Incorporating mindfulness into your self-reflection practice enhances its effectiveness. Being present in the moment allows you to observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This awareness helps you identify triggers, habits, or beliefs that no longer serve your higher purpose. For instance, you may discover that certain fears or insecurities are based on outdated experiences. By confronting and reevaluating them, you liberate yourself from their hold and create space for new possibilities. In essence, self-reflection is not just about looking inward, but also about paving the way forward, armed with wisdom and self-assurance. Meditation is another effective tool for self-reflection. It quiets the mind, allowing you to connect with your inner thoughts and emotions. Even just 5 minutes of mindful breathing can provide valuable insights and a sense of calm. Regularly revisit your goals. Are they still relevant and meaningful? As you grow, your priorities may evolve. Adjust your objectives to ensure they align with your current aspirations and values. This adaptability keeps your transformation journey dynamic and purposeful. Consider seeking feedback from trusted mentors, friends, or colleagues. Sometimes an external perspective can shed light on blind spots or offer new ideas for improvement. Be open to constructive criticism. It's an opportunity to learn and grow. Finally, celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Acknowledging your progress reinforces your commitment and builds confidence. Transformation is a marathon, not a sprint, and self-reflection ensures you remain on the right path. Through consistent self-reflection, you develop self-awareness and resilience, empowering you to navigate challenges and stay true to your vision. Thanks for giving your time. Do subscribe and like this video.